What's up, guys? Ramiro here with DimboxLED.com, and I'm just going to quickly talk about a new product we have available on our store. It is the Tailgate vinyl inserts for the Tacoma and the Tundra. What we have here are the vinyl inserts that go on the tailgate, and these are suited for the Tundra years 2014 to 2019 and the Tacoma 2016 to 2019. These vinyl inserts, they provide a painted on look. We got a few color options available. They come with alcohol prep pads to clean the surface before you install them to get a good seal and stick on there. And these won't crack, peel, or shrink, guys. Here's some photos. Here's a gray one that we did on a Tacoma. We have them in red here. Here's another photo of a red one. It looks like that. We have a black Tacoma one that we did here. We have them available on our website, guys, DimboxLED.com. This one's my favorite one. This is a white one on a blue Tacoma. This looks nice. They're $20 on our website, DimboxLED.com. Here's a black one we did on this gray Tundra, and another black one here as well. That's what they look like, guys. Let me show you what the sticker actually looks like. Here's a Tacoma one, and here's a red Tundra one, and a black Tundra one. But good quality vinyl, guys. Let me know, DimboxLED.com. You can find me on Instagram at DimboxLED if you guys have any questions. These are on sale right now, $20. And don't forget, we also have a list of products on our website. We got headlights, fog lights. We do custom Instagram decals as well. Interior kits, LED kits, reverse LEDs. In here, we also do Tacoma vinyl, and like I said, the license plate lights and the vinyl inserts for the tailgates, guys. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think. I'm here busy today, filling a lot of orders in my garage, but we'll see you guys later. See ya!